Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02441 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called C-Scott. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So now what I am going to do, I am going to type on alter query to drop the primary key, alter table employees to drop primary key. So here you can see that ORA-02441 cannot drop non-existent primary key error is getting thrown. Okay, so here what the problem is, without knowing that the table has primary key or not, I simply alter the table and mention drop primary key. So this is the description of the table. See, nothing is there. Employee number and name column are there, columns there. So no primary key, unique or not null is there. Okay, so I am dropping the table employees to. Now once again I am creating the table employees to. So employee number, primary key, name column. Okay, varchar to data type. Okay, table created successfully. So now before executing that alter table employees to drop primary key, I am logging as a sysassisdb in SQL developer. Okay, so I am going to run this query. Select star from all underscore constraints where owner equal to current user and table name equal to employees to. So here you can see that constraint name. So constraint name, type, everything is displayed. Okay, constraint name, type, everything is displayed. Okay, so now retry the alter table, drop primary key. Yes, so now it's work. So this is the fix for ORA-02441. So make sure that primary key exists and then drop it.